Hey people, thanks for joining us again for another unboxing. So we had to restart the footage. So the box is open. It wasn't like that when I got here. But we had a read error for the SD card for the GoPro. And that's where we're at. So this is a box from Myshire Farm of hatching eggs. This is Priority Mail today, and today is Friday. I'll have to look and see if it arrived in 2 days, but it arrived fairly quickly. Maybe been closer to 3, but USPS is experiencing some delays. Either way, should be fine. Let's go ahead and get into this and see what we got. First thing we have is a handy dandy Myshire Farm hatching guide. I love that they put these in there. We had never had Coturnix until ordering from, well, we had never hatched Coturnix until ordering from them. So there were a lot of pointers on here that were helpful. I think the hardest thing to do is wait to be able to put them in the incubator. But it has hatching instructions and also care instructions for the small quail. And some information about their YouTube and things as well. We have here, this is new. Oh, it's a magnet. Oh, that's nice. Oh wow, I'm definitely going to see if I can just turn this into a dry erase. Oh, I need more of these. Thanks, Zach. Alright. Into box 2. We have a sea of packing peanuts. It's okay, we have a bag just for this. I don't think there's any quick way to get rid of packing peanuts besides a shop vac, but let's see what we can do here. Maybe we can get most of them up, maybe? Maybe not. I think I'll just set that there and start scooping. There's nothing wrong with these packing peanuts. We will absolutely save them to send stuff of our own out. For some of us, that's one of the ways that we can offer such low shipping to our own customers. It's by reusing clean packing materials. We do the same thing with our frozen stuff by shipping it in reused medical shippers when they're available. Right now, they're available. Is anyone else getting driven crazy by the suspense while we're waiting for all these packing peanuts to be removed? This part. Sometimes they will write what color variety of Coturnix laid the eggs on the foam, but we ordered a complete random mixed bag this time, so we have no idea what colors these are going to be until they hatch, unless somebody wrote on here for us what they are. But even then, not all the colors hatch true, so it is a grab bag. And now the moment we are all waiting for. Da-na-na-na. It says M, I'm assuming for mixed. So we won't get to see what these are going to be, or any clue what these are going to be, until they hatch. They all look pretty good. Don't see any cracks. I'll have to take them out and Let them rest for the 12 to 24 hours before we put them in the incubator. I wonder what our incubators are sitting at. We've had them running for a few days now to get them ready, but we haven't really done anything for the humidity. That's them up there. Ta-da! Our little inside incubators. We actually have ours Bluetoothed to the phone. Looks like both of them are within the temperature range, and wow, one of them is actually holding decent humidity. Just need to add some water to the second one. Nice. Alright, well, thanks for joining us for another unboxing. Stay tuned, and about 18 days we should be recording some hatching quail, and you can get a look at what colors came out of this grab bag. Thanks again. See you next time.